Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right into this. We have a Skims Valentines shop haul, unboxing, review, try on, all that. So let's get right into it. They sent me this. Oh, they sent me. They did send me it. When I first said it, it sounded like they sent it PR style, but we'll get there one day. So everything came in this huge box. You can't even see how big it is, but it's huge. I didn't order that much stuff, I feel like, for it to be in this big box, but I mean, we'll see. Should we do clothes first or accessories first? Let's do... Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you. Should we do clothes first? Oh, I'm so excited. In the Skims Valentine shop this year, I can't really recall for last year, but they released so much stuff, so much cute stuff. Accessories, slippers, socks, pajamas, of course. Pajamas for women, men, kids. I believe there was something for a dog. I'm gonna share with you what I purchased. I purchased 2 of the clips. We'll look at those after this. So I got the cotton rib tank 3-pack, and I also got the cotton rib wait, what are the bottoms called? Are they called boy shorts? Boxers. And I also got the cotton rib boxers 3-pack. So they match. It's black, red, and heart and arrow multi is what they call it. Multicolor is what they call it. Multicolor. The red, they might call the red ruby. Tank 3-pack was $94, and then the boxer 3-pack was also $94. So if you choose to get the 3-packs from Skims instead of just buying stuff separately, you do save a couple dollars. The Skims box, which is so cute. It says Skims on the front. I got the tops and the bottoms both in a large. I do have one set. My set currently is a medium, which is a little bit too small for me right now. That's why I opted to get a large. I'm just questioning if they call it red because I know that my clip that I purchased, those are considered ruby. So it doesn't matter at all. I just want to know for myself. They do consider this ruby. Which it is a red. See, this is what I really wanted. I really wanted them to release a cotton jersey top, or I can't remember what this top is. It's not cotton jersey. It was something else. Vintage, maybe? I can't remember, but I wanted them to release just a plain shirt in this color because it is so pretty. This color is so pretty. So we have that. Then we have the black, aka the soot is what they call it. Consider it. And then we have the heart and arrow multi, which is so cute. But I feel like when Skims or any other brand just releases like limited edition prints, like you have to get the limited edition prints. Like I'm sure they're probably going to release another soot or ruby, red, whatever. They're probably not going to redo this print. They'll do another heart. You have to get a print. Valentine's Day, you have to get something with hearts on it. I mean, it makes sense. Alright, next we have the Skims, the boxers, which is just going to be the same colors. Which way does this open? Down. Oh. I am a little bit concerned about these being too big. Black. The black or the soot, the red or the ruby, the red or the ruby. Heart and arrow multi. So there also is another Valentine set that they released at Tanks in the boxers. It's a gray, a light pink, and a hot pink. So here's both of the clips. What's going Oh, they're bigger than I thought. I thought they were gonna be really small. Oh, they're so cute. I don't know if you're able to see it on here or not, but they do. Here we go. Oh, pretty. I hope you can see. It says Skims on them, but it also has, it says Skims on them, but they're also glittery. They're cute. They're cute. So these clips were, I believe I already said this before, but this 4-pack was $24. This is the only color set that they had of these mini clips. I don't know how I will wear these actually, but they're cute. I don't know if you all remember this, but comment below if you do remember how we used to do our hair. Braid it halfway or twists and then do the butterfly clips. That's what these immediately reminded me of. That's why I had to get them, because they're just so cute. Let's check it out, y'all. Okay, here it goes. And now that I'm looking on this again, you can't buy the heart, that multi by itself. You can only get it in the pack. And that's how they get you. And that's how they got me. Y'all did that. Y'all got me. Y'all, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment and let me know if you purchased anything from the Valentine shop, if you like any, and comment below.